Hey guys, it's Paul. I just want to show you quickly how to change all or parts of a description in YouTube using Tubebuddy. I've got this as part of my defaults. I've been doing a lot of Zoho 1 uh, training videos. So as I upload them, I've got this default information, but I need to change it because it's wrong. So I'm going to copy this, right? My full, and I want it to be like join my Z1 club for full training on all Zoho apps, right? That's what I want it to be. And then the link has changed to Zoho 1, right? So that I've just changed my default. So when I do a default upload, that's what's going to come. So the problem is I've done like, I don't know, 20, 30 videos on Zoho 1 that's probably got that information on it that I need to change. So what I'm going to do is go to, using Tubebuddy, the extension, I'm going to go My Videos, and up in the corner here where it says Bulk, find, replace and append. So what I want to do is I'm going to paste that original text in that says my full Zoho 1 partner training link, sign up, right? I don't know what I just said. Join my Z1 club, full Zoho 1 training, learn more. It's completely different to what I just wrote in, I know. But I can change this again if I'm not happy with what I've said, especially if I don't put the link in properly. So just be careful, right? Zoho 1, right? So it's going to look for that and it's going to replace that, right? So this is good if you change your Facebook page or something, if you put your Facebook links in there. Look for it in all my videos. It's going to search all my videos. I don't know how many it'll find with that in. Probably 20 or 30, maybe as much as 80. It depends if I've put that link on all of them. So here we go. Well, there's only 7, so I'm going to have to go through and make sure the other ones change as well, right? So if I go to this one, let's just link it and show you. Pause it. So here is... where's what we're changing? Zoho 1. Yeah, so we're going to change this. My full Zoho 1 partner, right? So go back here. Continue. Do it. Start. It's going to change all of those. So this was the one that changed. Because of the cache, it probably won't change. I'm sorry, I've gone back in, so it's alright. And now, down here, join my Z1 club, full Zoho 1 training, learn more. And here's the link. So if I go to that, sometimes when you edit something in... sometimes if you go to the same page, because the cache, you have to refresh it, it might not take. And then now my full link's changed. So that's how you do it. You can also do, you know, search and find stuff. So even if it's just find, you can find text, find and replace, insert after. So if you want to add a bonus or a new link or something at the end of your text or before, you need to remove, add text to end, insert text. Oh, sorry, this is insert after text. So if I wanted to insert something after, say this, I would paste that in, insert after text, and then put in, something, hello. So then after that would come this, right? You might want to put a space if you want it to come after it, or if you want it to become below it, you put a return. Insert before, remove or delete, add text, description, insert, replace entire description. So it's a really cool way to do it. If you go to pnuk.co/Tubebuddy, I'll put a link in the description below. It's going to save you time. It does a lot of cool things, but you can see I use Tubebuddy on a daily basis, especially for stuff like this, especially when I'm always changing links, always changing bit of descriptions, or maybe where my training's being hosted. So to change as many links as you want in one time, Tubebuddy, pnuk.co/Tubebuddy. Give it a try.